Hey, what's up guys? Samsung launched its new A-series smartphone Samsung Galaxy A10s, Galaxy A20s, Galaxy A30s and Galaxy A50s in Philippines on September 11th. But the Galaxy A20s is the phone that attracts our attention, as the Galaxy A10s, Galaxy A30s and Galaxy A50s were already launched in India recently, and the Galaxy A20s might be the next A-series smartphone to be launched in India and other countries. In Philippines, the Samsung Galaxy A20s was launched with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and it is priced around 13,600 Indian rupees. The phone comes in two variants, that is two different color options, green and black. As for the specification of the Samsung Galaxy A20s is concerned, it features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display and it is having an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. 14nm 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor coupled with Adreno 506 and comes with an option to expand the storage up to 512GB. It comes with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and also has a face unlock feature as well. On the camera front, Galaxy A20s sports a triple rear camera with a 13 megapixel as the primary sensor with an aperture of f1.9, 8 megapixel 120-degree ultra-wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, it has a 8 megapixel selfie shooter with an aperture of f2.0. The phone runs on Android 9 Pie based on One UI and comes packed with a 4000 mAh of battery with 15W Type-C fast charging. Just to refresh, the Galaxy A20s smartphone specification were leaked online, and interestingly, almost all the above specification matches with the leaked specification. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy A20s. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.